How to add another iCloud account on iPhone. I'm going to tell you how to add another iCloud account on your iPhone. First, you can't just switch accounts on an iPhone unlike on a Mac, which you can easily switch from one account to another. So the first thing you need to do here is to log out your Apple ID from your phone. So from settings, up top, just click on your name and then scroll down and then log out. From here, we just have to log in to another account or create a new one from an existing email. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm clicking don't have an Apple ID, putting in my name, date of birth, a new email without an Apple ID yet, phone number, agree with terms, now your email, and that's pretty much it. That's how you connect another Apple ID to your iPhone.